In this short video, we can take an initial view of KipwareT, Conversational CNC Programming Software for turning. This is the main screen from which conversational menus can be selected from the left side, to create G-code for all the machining operations required to machine a workpiece complete. Let's start by selecting the facing menu. We can fill in the blanks on the form with the information as they pertain to the workpiece and machining operation. First, we'll give the cycle a name. Then we can select the type of cutting to include in the cycle, roughing or finishing or both. Then simply fill in the blanks for the rest of the form. When it comes time for cutting parameters, we can use the Kipware CSF Speed and Feed Wizard to auto-calculate SFM and feed rate based on our user configurable database. As is the case in most KipwareT menus, the user can select to have the G-code created in the form of a canned cycle, or longhand G-code. KipwareT creates FANUC-compatible and Akuma OSP G-code out of the box. No post-processor or anything additional is required. Once all the inputs are complete, we can select Create Program and KipwareM will generate the G-code and place the cycle in the tree. Here's a look at the G-code that was auto-generated. The design of KipwareT is to use the conversational menu to create cycles for each machining operation required to machine the workpiece complete. Each time the cycle will be placed in the tree. In our next video, we will take a deeper look into KipwareT.